Welcome to Short Circuit. Today we gonna see how to send email using Python, and this is the program. So here I am import time and date time. Time for now, and date time is for date. Then that is continuously run because of I am using here while is equal while true. That means if it is the condition is true, it automatically loops up, so it runs repeatedly. Here I define Unix is equal to int of time dot time. So this for reading the time now, so it's reading like encoded format. So here I call this one to see the format of time. So here datetime dot datetime from timestamp. That is here the encoded value is timestamped. Then we get like this. So 11:02:00 AM. So the %p is for printing AM or PM. So time on is a variable. Here we get the current time. So now the time is 8:17 AM. Here I set so 08 20 AM. Then here I import SMTP library for sending email address, and these are the variable Gmail address and Gmail password. So Gmail address, here I give my Gmail address, and Gmail password. So this is my password. So you have to input your Gmail address and Gmail password. Before you input here, you have to enable less secure apps in your Gmail account. So the mailto, this is the receiver mail. Then subject, we can add like today's present. Here the message will send you for subject and new line. So there is the format of subject and message. So here I give the message like Sankar is present today. So this is for a SMTP server opening, and this is for the port. Here the mail server starts, so then the mailServer.login. Here the login is using Gmail address. There is a variable called here, and Gmail password. So here is it. So both are called here, and login. Then it is a syntax for sending a mail. So Gmail address, mailto, that is our Gmail address, sender Gmail address, and mailto for receiver mail Gmail address, and message we here wait this one is. So the message will be sent and quite the mail server. So now almost I put here 8:21. Then run the program. Yeah, the message has been sent. Yeah, the Gmail is loading now. Yes, I got a mail. Yeah, Shankar is present. If you want this code, it is in description. You have to copy that and check it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.